In this tutorial, we will discuss how to submit a file to your instructor through a Dropbox folder in D2L. The Dropbox is an area of D2L that instructors often use to collect student assignments electronically. Many instructors, both online and on campus, do utilize the Dropbox, so it is wise to understand how this feature works before beginning class. To access the Dropbox, click on the Dropbox link in the Assessment drop-down menu of your course navigation bar. Let's navigate to the Dropbox now. Within the Dropbox, your instructor will have created folders. Generally, instructors name the Dropbox folders in correlation to the assignments that you will submit to that folder. Here we see there are 3 folders in the Dropbox: Assignment 1, Assignment 2, and Final Project folder. Any Dropbox folder that appears as a hyperlink in blue is accessible to you. Assignment 2 and the Final Project Dropbox folders are both accessible now. Note that Assignment 1 folder is not accessible. Below the Dropbox folder, you'll see additional details. In this instance, the Assignment 1 Dropbox folder closed on January 22nd at 3:13 p.m., meaning that we cannot submit assignments after the 22nd. And in the far right column, under due date, we can see that this assignment was due on January 20th. To submit a file to a Dropbox folder, locate and click on the name of the folder you want to submit a file to. Let's select the Final Project folder. Now we are taken inside the Dropbox folder. To add a file to the Dropbox, click on the Add a File button, located beneath the Submit Files heading. A new window will open. If your file is stored on your computer or on a USB device, select My Computer to the left. If you're retrieving a file from your locker, click on the My Locker icon. In this case, our file is stored on the computer. We'll click the Upload button. A new window will open, allowing us to browse our computer and locate the file we want to submit. Here's the sample essay we want to add. Select the file and double-click it. Here's the file we added. If we need to add additional files to this Dropbox folder, we'll click on the Upload button again and select our next file. If not, we'll simply click on the Done button at the bottom left-hand side of the window. And as you can see, our uploaded file appears beneath the Add a File button in the Final Project Dropbox folder. If you accidentally uploaded the wrong file, no worries. Just click on the red X icon next to the file name. You can submit a wide variety of file formats to a Dropbox folder, such as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, HTML, rich text, and PDFs, but make sure you submit the specific file type requested by your instructor, which is often the .docs format. Before you submit a file, if you need to include a comment to your instructor, type your message into the comments box below. When you're ready to submit your file, click on the Submit button located at the bottom left-hand side of your screen. And as you can see on this page, your file was successfully submitted. You'll also receive a confirmation email. We can return to our list of Dropbox folders by clicking on the Done button. And we're back to our complete list of Dropbox folders in this course. As you can see on this page, in the Submissions column next to our Final Project Dropbox folder, we have one submission that we sent to our instructor. This is the conclusion of the Dropbox tutorial. Practice using the Dropbox in this training course so you'll know how to upload files to the Dropbox if you're directed to do so by your instructor.